What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Subaru Impreza remote key fob. This remote key fob is going to be for the Subaru Imprezas that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video. It's where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this little silver button that's on the back of the key fob, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, this slot right here is where that emergency key slid out of, and then just below that there's another little slot right here. I'm going to put my flathead screwdriver in that slot like that. Then I'm just going to kind of angle the screwdriver up and pry up on this back cover like that. Go ahead and pull the back cover off. And you can kind of just dump the circuit board out into your hand. On the back of the circuit board, we see our battery right here. I'm going to use my screwdriver just to help get under the edge of it and carefully get it out of that little holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. And then we can put our circuit board back into the front of the key fob. Make sure it's sitting down in that rubber piece properly. Then we can snap the back cover on. And I always just like to line up that square notch around that silver button. Snap that down, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.